Hey, Swati here. Welcome back to Python, Zero to Expert. Last time, single values. But real programs juggle lots of values at once. So today, the 4 containers Python gives you to hold them. Module 3. One value is nice, but a shopping cart, a list of users. You need something that holds many. Python has 4 of these, and each one is good at something different. By the end, you'll know all 4: lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. You'll know when to reach for each, and you'll be comfortable with the dictionary, which is honestly the one you'll use the most. Here they are. A list is ordered, and you can change it. That's your everyday container. A tuple is also ordered, but fixed. So it's great for things that shouldn't change. A dictionary maps a key to a value, like a name to a person. And a set is just unique items, with no duplicates and no order. Here's the big one. If you need to find something by a name or an ID, don't loop through a list checking every item. Put it in a dictionary and look it up directly. It's instant and it reads beautifully. One pro move with dictionaries. If a key might not be there, don't just grab it. That crashes. Use .get with a fallback. Here, there's no age, so instead of blowing up, it calmly hands back 0. Sarah here. Look how natural this reads. For each item in the cart, pull its price and add them all up. A list of dictionaries, one clean line. That's collections doing real work. And that's collections, list, tuple, dictionary, set. You know what each is for. Next time, control flow. How your code decides and repeats. I'm Swati. This is Code Craft. See you there.